una kong vlog ito, paano mag-renew ng driver license dito sa Saudi Arabia. Una-una gagawin, magbayad pala muna. Gagamit yung inyong sariling ATM account. Okay. Pag nabuksan nyo yung inyong ATM account, makikita nyo doon yung payment for government services. Okay, yun. Mamili kayo doon, makikita nyo may option din na driver license. I-click nyo yung driver license. Tapos yun, may option, mamili kayo kung ilang taon. 2, 5, and 10. Buksan ko pala muna ang aking ATM account. So, binuksan ko na yung aking account ATM sa hindi makita. So, hanapin natin dito yung payments dito sa baba. Dito sa baba, payments. Ayun. Tapos, lalabas yung hindi makikita eh. Okay, basta piliin nyo yung government payment. Tapos, i-touch payment. Government payment. Lalabas yung maraming pagpilian. Merong traffic violations, motor vehicles, driver license. So, i-click yung driver license. Click driver license. Oh. Meron na namang option. Issue license from old license, renew license, replace lost license, replace damaged license. So, i-click nyo yung renew license. Pag renew license, touch. Okay. Lalabas yung beneficiary ID. Ipasok yung beneficiary ID. Type yung number. Tapos, license type. Yan, maraming pagpilian. Hanapin nyo lang yung touch ang private. Kasi private naman, personal mo yan. Touch private. Duration, 2 years, 5 years, or 10 years. Pag i-touch nyo yung 5 years, may maglabas na amount. Big sabihin, i-confirm nyo lang yung pag-confirm. Bayad na. Tapos na yung bayad, pupunta na sa gamit yung AppShare. Oh, buksan na yung AppShare. Nabuksan ko na ang aking AppShare. My services, renew driver license. Register nyo born. Okay. Piliin yung renew driver license. Okay. Touch renew driver license. Tapos, yun na. Paid. Successfully renewed license. Okay. Bye-bye. Thank you. Have a nice day.